Lalong, maganda na si Casey, lalong gumanda si
down and 3 more to go. Next to perform ay mula sa category naman ni Miss Felipa.
Thank you, Casey. Before I call in, a member of my team would like to say hello and welcome to all the staff and members of the Fun Corps. Members of the Fun Corps will take care of us. Anyway, ito ngayon, yung next contestant na ito, I'm sorry to tell you, Charisse, Gary, and Martin, but she's in my team. Siya lang ang merong ganyang klaseng boses. Ganito talaga. Kaya nandito siya. Kaya pakinggan na nito. Please, welcome, Joan Dan. Very easy? Yes.
I'll be watching you.
Ako po si Joanda. Bago po ako sumali sa X Factor, musician po ako.
May karakter kasi yung boses ni Joan.
Misinterpret lang po talaga ako na may attitude ako.
Yung bumili ako ng ganda sa kanya nung una, ayaw niya. Medyo nagalit na ako. Nandiyan na yan eh. You try it.
Nalaman ko na musical arranger ko ay si Mr. Gerard Salonga. Wow lang. I don't think it's challenging for her. I think the song is really for her. I think the disadvantage lang, yung ibang tao, if they won't like her performance, maybe they want more. Expectation ko is magustuhan talaga ako ng mga tao, then makita nila na talagang kaya ko, na talagang kaya ako nandito kasi meron talaga